What if I told you there is a plant quietly growing for thousands of years that can feed itself, heal the soil, and reduce the need for expensive fertilizers, yet most modern farmers completely ignore it? Sounds impossible, right? But this hidden secret could change the way we think about farming forever. Imagine a plant that doesn't just grow, it actually improves the land around it, making the soil richer, stronger, and more alive with every passing day. This is not science fiction. This is nature's own design, something ancient civilizations understood deeply, but somehow we forgot along the way. In today's world, farmers spend billions on chemical fertilizers just to keep crops alive. But over time, these chemicals slowly damage the soil, making it weaker and less productive. The more you use them, the more you depend on them. It becomes a cycle that is hard to escape. But nature already created a solution long before factories and fertilizers existed. A plant that works with the soil instead of against it. A plant that creates its own natural fertilizer right where it grows, without any human effort. This plant has a special ability hidden in its roots. Deep under the ground, tiny natural processes begin to happen. The roots form a partnership with beneficial bacteria, and together they pull nitrogen directly from the air and turn it into nutrients inside the soil. This process feeds not only the plant itself, but also improves the surrounding land for other crops. It's like having a natural fertilizer factory running 24 hours a day, silently, without cost, without pollution, and without damaging the earth. Farmers in the past used to plant this kind of crop between their main harvests. They knew that after growing it, the soil would become soft, fertile, and ready for the next crop. But as modern agriculture pushed for faster results, this simple and powerful method was slowly forgotten. Today, many fields are struggling, not because farmers are doing something wrong, but because they moved away from what nature already perfected. And here's the most surprising part. This plant grows fast, requires very little care, and can survive in tough conditions where many other crops fail. It protects the soil from erosion, adds organic matter, and restores life back into the land. It's not just a plant, it's a system, a silent worker that keeps giving without asking for anything in return. If more farmers started using it again, it could reduce costs, improve yields, and even help the environment recover over time. So why did we forget something so powerful? Maybe because it looks too simple. Maybe because it doesn't come in a bag with a price tag, or maybe because modern farming moved too fast and left ancient wisdom behind. But now, people are slowly rediscovering this natural solution, and those who understand it are already seeing the difference in their soil and their crops. And the name of this ancient plant, the one that creates its own fertilizer, is clover. A small, humble plant, often seen as just grass, but in reality, it is one of the most powerful tools nature has ever given to farmers. If this surprised you, imagine how many other natural secrets are still hidden in plain sight. Now I want to hear from you. Have you ever seen clover growing around you, or did you think it was just a weed? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you found this interesting, share this video with someone who cares about farming, nature, or saving money on crops. You never know, this small idea might change someone's entire way of growing food.